Hey everybody, I'm Mike.
I'm Sash.
And we are from Germany and we are the film crew of Millennium Island. We wanted to tell you a little bit about our experience on the first shooting in Kiribati.
Kiribati is one of the most remote and isolated cultures still left on the planet Earth. If you draw a line between Honolulu and Australia, Kiribati is right in that center, where the equator meets the dateline.
Yeah, when we first arrived there, we met the family of Lulu and we got invited into their house and we had a beautiful place to stay. It was very, very magical to experience all this culture and this traditional stuff. And then after a while, we found out that the people are really full of fear. Because, I mean, you're losing a country.
If God wants us to die,
Oh, they just think it's God's will.
they believe in that situation.
You're losing your house, everything that you know.
The whole world you live in.
It was pretty clear for us that we have to make this film.
It's not about climate change, I think. It's about the overpopulation.
The problems get real today.
If we reach our goal of the 15,000, then we are close to getting it happen. But we actually need our stretch goal to 30,000 because the problem is we want to have like an American-German co-production because it's very important to have this film also in a European cinema. And to get it into a European cinema, you really need to have like an international co-production.
They're so loving and so embracing of guests.
When I returned for the first time in 23 years, I began to see that my family has a long history here.
We are so thankful for all the helpers who already supported our project. And check out all the amazing pledges that we got on the page. Help us to make Millennium Island happen. And thank you for watching this.
Thank you guys.
My lineage goes back hundreds of years. My ancestors were kings, queens, and warriors. But what does that all mean if you lose your homeland? My grandchildren won't have a Kiribati to go back to. So how do we adapt to that future?